Yeah, honey. Kansas. Virginia.
That white one, did you have it on or no?
No.
You don't want it on? You should be behind you.
What do you think, Ab? What do you think, girls? Having fun?
What is that?
No, the radar.
Where do I have it?
I don't know, do you?
Acting weather? That one?
Yeah.
I hope no one's like... Are we in a lane or are we off the side?
We're off the side of the road. I think this is where we are right now. We're in the middle of a tornado.
What should we do?
That's why I pulled over.
Should we go in the gas station or how do we get there?
It's a good idea, Abigail.
What?
We're getting out of this place.
Wow, where are you going to go? Just get off the exit.
It's not the highway, man.
Cross over there. I don't like driving it, but I'm trying to get stuff and it's not.
This is not going to be easy. You're right, Abby. Take a picture with your phone. A picture.
Straight ahead.
Yep. Thank you.